You mentioned that a lot of the companies that are, let's say, overusing AI in its current state produce mainly slop. That a lot of the stuff that we see now is a slop, which I fully agree with. Do you think that perhaps the market will just kind of sort itself out eventually? There's obviously going to be a lot of suffering along the way with people losing jobs and all that. But over the long time, the sort of that people will appreciate the good work by people that are augmented by AI instead of just AI produced slop.
Yeah, I do think so. I think we already see it. Like we do see like backlash on people using AI on certain contexts. Like Clair Obscur was denied an award, an indie award, because they mentioned that they used AI, generative AI, at some point. So there is backlash. There is a sentiment, but it comes from the industry and not necessarily from the consumer yet. I'm not sure. I feel like the consumer is kind of catching up, but it's more the artists who get pissed than the people buying the AI stuff. For now, I feel like it's growing, it's spreading. But I read something very interesting. I wish I could cite the font, but I don't remember who it was. But it was like an article about the problem with this is that usually when a market self-regulates about what's handcrafted and not, it becomes that the handcrafted is for the rich and the not handcrafted is for the poor. So like I remember it was the silliest of examples, but it connected so well in my head. It's like, so this means that people without a lot of money will only have those, like a Chinese produced AI pillow on their sofas because that's what they can buy, while the richer person has this handmade, crocheted in Switzerland thing and it's just a pillow on both cases. Like, do we really need the pillow? But that's not the point. Why the people with less income will not be able to buy something handcrafted or something at least human, not handcrafted, I don't mean it literally, but like made by people, and why do lower income people or entire countries may sometimes need to just settle for the mass produced, for the slop, while I'm quite sure that like richer people, millionaires, billionaires, are not going to be buying artwork to put on their walls that is AI generated. They will get the human person, and if less people buy, it becomes more and more of a luxury commodity. So there are less painters because less people buy real paintings. So you know what I mean. Like I until I read this thing, I never thought about for such a simple but like palpable angle. And yeah, that's kind of my thing. Like I do think the market is going to sell. If nothing happens, if we just keep on this track, the market will self-regulate, but in a way that is kind of dystopian in my mind. It's kind of cyberpunky.
It may very well be. Yeah. There is parts of the world that very much are on their speedrun towards cyberpunk now.
For sure.
But we will see. We will see. It's all, and there is also so much regulation, and also now Steam is starting to kind of regulate as well, because you have to mark the game as AI. A lot of platforms are moving towards it, not just the governments. So it's a huge mess right now, but no one really knows what's going on.
Yeah, exactly.